Maayong nga gabi iyo amin.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Good evening, USL.
Mapya nga gabi.
Now's the time to freshen up your mind, to listen to good news, and to stay updated.
Let's gather as one Louisian community. Virtually, this is
USL PASSIRIMMU. It's September 5, 2022, and we welcome the month of September, brimming with hope for love and peace among humanity. As the legendary musician John Lennon sang in his song Imagine, I hope someday you'll join us and the world will be as one. We are once again reminded of the significance of a harmonious community towards the world's constant pursuit of peace. Hello to all Louisians who are watching us via Facebook Live. Good evening to our University Marketing Officer, Dr. Riza Velasco.
Good evening, Sir Kyle. Yes, Sir Kyle. Without peace, there would be disorder. That's why it is important for us to understand the importance of peace. And it comes just in time for the observance of National Peace Consciousness Month this September. Hello to our capable Louisians, the Louisian Stars, and the Louisian Gems.
Good evening to the faculty and students of the School of Engineering, Architecture and Information Technology Education and the School of Accountancy, Business and Hospitality.
Hi to the School of Education, Arts and Sciences, and to the School of Health and Allied Sciences, the School of Graduate Studies, and USL alumni.
Ginugunita ng buong bansa ngayong buwan ng Setyembre ang National Peace Consciousness Month na may temang pagkakaisa at paghilom, isang bansa para sa kapayapaan.
The annual commemoration is pursuant to Proclamation Number 675 of 2004, and it aims to instill greater consciousness and understanding among the Filipino people on the comprehensive peace process, and support in promoting the culture of peace is spearheaded by the United Nations.
Gayon din, malapit nang gunitain ang International Day of Peace sa darating na ika-21 araw ng Setyembre na may temang End Racism, Build Peace. As Louisians, we must lead in promoting peace through social awareness and involvement for the betterment of our community and of ourselves.
Let's start working in peace as we kick off series of good news here in
USL PASSIRIMMU. Good news number 1. After 2 years of conducting a virtual morning assembly, USL through SSC Azalea staged its first ever on-site flag raising ceremony, which was held at USL's Friendship Park. SSC Azalea opened the start of the school by extending a warm welcome to Louisians with a festive-themed organizational exhibit now known as the Advocacy Fair. The activity focuses on educating the USL community about the university's different advocacy programs. Further, the school welcomed its students for their face-to-face classes. Classrooms were once again brimming with laughter and joy as they formally started their new academic year on August 8, 2022.
Good news number 2. A total of 240 students and employees were vaccinated at the university on August 17, 2022 by the Tuguegarao City Health Office. The TCHO initiated the vaccination program with the assistance of USL nurses Arian Kawan and Eileen Mabunga Reyosa and OSH certified Francis Eric Nesesio. The initiative is a part of a larger effort to strengthen the fight against the pandemic.
Good news number 3. USL through the Center for Community Engagement and CICM Advocacy's Office inked a partnership with the local government unit of Solana to undertake community outreach, extension activities, and service learning programs at Solana, Cagayan on July 22, 2022. The partnership aims to promote and develop one or more of the SECA advocacies and other services, such as the service learning program, outreach program, and extension program for its partner community.
Good news number 4. After halting its operations due to the pandemic, the university canteen resumed serving the Louisians, now with a wider variety of food selections as it reopened on August 22, 2022. Students and employees can now access snacks and meals within the campus, lowering the risk associated with eating outside of the university vicinity. The canteen underwent improvements, including the provision of new kitchen sinks with faucets, as well as painting, carpentry, and electrical work, among others, aimed to better serve the students and employees. In addition, alcohol and hand sanitizers are being provided, while social distancing is being maintained to guarantee everyone's safety despite the ongoing pandemic. The reopening kick-off with a blessing ceremony held at the university canteen presided over by University President Reverend Father Renilio H. Santa Ana, CICM, with the school administrators in attendance.
Good news number 5. Face-to-face masses are back. Louisian students and employees once again filled the Good Shepherd Chapel and James Termier Gymnasium as USL conducted its Eucharistic celebrations at the university.
Good news number 6. The University of St. Louis held a mass induction during the first week of classes for the new departmental and organizational executives who will carry on the Louisian culture of excellence, faith, and mission. Leaders from the SSC, SAYIT, SAYAS, SubH, SHAS, and other organizations participated in the occasion and took an oath to uphold Louisian core values going forward.
Good news number 7. School of Education, Arts and Sciences produced 3 new licensed professional teachers after passing the June 2022 licensure examination for teachers. USL registered a passing rate of 100% for the Bachelor of Elementary Education graduates and a 66.67% passing rate for the Bachelor of Secondary Education graduates who took the licensure exam. Congratulations to our new Louisian educators.
Good news number 8. 17 Louisian graduates were honored for their hard work through the short-term commencement exercise conducted on August 13, 2022. 12 graduates earned their master's degrees, while 58 graduates obtained their bachelor's degrees. Congratulations, graduates!
Congratulations. And good news number 9. USL Wisdom Builds, the official community newsletter of the University of St. Louis, is now accessible at ISU. You may read the second quarter issue of school year 2021-2022 through the link posted on USL official Facebook page.
Congratulations to USL and its humble achievements.
Yes, congratulations, Louisians. As quoted by Bill Clinton, in the new economy, information, education, and motivation are everything. Join us in listening for more exciting good news about the university. This is USL PASSIRIMMU.